some people, we even write lyrics to what we got the first Bloopski. Awesome. So we appreciate all you guys for liking, commenting and subscribing. It means a bunch. If you haven't, make sure you jump on and subscribe so you don't miss on my face. We're going to continue this journey. It's not going to stop, whether it's 50 days, 100 days or whatever. Radio fam, welcome back, and we have made it halfway. It's day 50 of the one video a day for 100-day video challenge. Can you believe that? We've made some sales, we've got some leads, we've made free Facebook leads as well. It's all happening. So what they said would happen has happened because I've followed the simple steps that have been outlaid. So today, guys, I've got something exciting for you. You are back into it. The 21 ancient secrets of entrepreneurial leadership, Solomon CEO. Awesome source. So today we're going to run over secret 12, and that is the daily masterpiece. So as usual, let's get into the quote and then we'll dissect it and have a look at it. Do not boast about tomorrow, for you don't know what day may bring forth. Let another person praise you and not your own mouth, a stranger and not your own lips. Do not boast about tomorrow, for you do not know what a day may bring forth. Let another person praise you and not your own mouth, a stranger and not your own lips. Proverbs 27:2. So let's make each day a masterpiece. Fam. We do not want to boast about it. We do not want to brag about it. At the end of the day, we've got no idea what tomorrow is going to bring. If we think back and look at it, I'm sure there's a time where you thought something was definitely going to happen and it didn't happen, or you had no idea something was going to happen and it did. We just don't know. And in saying that, we want to approach life with an open hand. We don't want to be clenched, we don't want to be resistant to life. We want to have an open hand and we want to flow through life. Accept it. We don't know what tomorrow is going to look like, but that's okay. Solomon wants to address the point that we don't want to, here in Australia, I might say it over there, is that, we don't want to piss in our own pocket. We don't want to, talk about ourselves to others about our, achievements. We're going to do this and that. We want to let others piss in the pocket for you. So what that means is we just want to let other people praise you, let other strangers praise you. Don't use your own mouth and lips to do it. If someone gives you a compliment, all you got to do is smile and say thank you. This is something that I did sort of struggle with when I was getting compliments because I didn't know how to handle it. So someone would give me a compliment and I'd feel the need to sort of give them one back, but I really didn't need to. And there was an instance today when someone gave me a compliment and I already tried to give one back, but then the little voice caught myself because I've done this training and I've been working on it anyway. Just to accept it, because it's your moment. It's actually for you, and they want to do that for you. They want to give that moment to you. That's why they're giving you that praise. So, you just accept it, you smile, because what's going to happen is, just in my own experience, that there'll be a time where you'll be able to give that praise back to them, and that's pretty powerful stuff. So it'll come around back for them. So just my way of handling an experience of it all, taking a compliment. We want to live. We want to live life so marvelously that we're not going to need to boast about tomorrow because we're being praised anyway. Everyone is stamped in the image of God, and God's image and what God is about is that He praises, and everyone praises. We praise down and we praise up. We praise honor, we praise esteem, reward. Some people, we even write lyrics to what? We got the first Bloopski. Awesome. So we even write lyrics to one another. We are all in the print of God's image. All humans are. We want to look for the grace in people. We want to look for their gifts and talents. And then what we do when these people go out there and they develop and they hone their skills and they turn those gifts into skills, we want to praise them for that. We want to make them feel good for that. Feel free to go over and tell them, great work. You worked really hard for that. Awesome. You've actually developed that talent into a skill. Solomon also wants us to get away from self-esteem and more about self-possession. For instance, when you approach your day, treat it like a masterpiece. You want to give it your all. You want to go out there, you want to do it now, and you want to give it all you've got, and you want to give it everything, because what you want to do is you want to bring meaning into that day. So give it your all. You want to go ahead and develop all of your talents, and then as you're doing this, a situation will actually arise. Instead of being in a situation where you feel frail and needy and you feel you have to brag about yourself and brag about what's going to happen, well, you're not going to have to do this, because you're going to have other people doing it for you. And people that you've never met will start talking about you and praising you. It's the complete opposite of being stabbed in the back. You're going to get people singing your praise behind your back, and your mouth is not going to feel the need to move, brag or boast, because people are going to be doing it for you. And it's not going to be your mum, and it's not going to be your friends. It's going to be strangers, and strangers who you've never met before are going to look upon the work that you do, the business, they're going to observe it, and they're going to hear it through a second source behind your back, and they're going to hear it's praiseworthy and that it's a masterpiece. So, Secret 12 is, all about approaching your day with a quiet, confident, and diligent approach. That is Secret 12. So, fam, I appreciate you all for jumping on. Hope you enjoyed the Solomon CEO again. I certainly did. Appreciate all you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. It means a bunch. If you haven't, make sure you jump on and subscribe so you don't miss my face. We're going to continue this journey. It's not going to stop, whether it's 50 days, 100 days, or whatever days it is. So, I'll see you tomorrow.